Ralph here once again, 60 seconds or less, basic Excel challenges. First one's divide by zero, time equals zero, value errors, and of course removing the zeros from the cell itself. To start, divide by zero. All right, we have one cell divided by another cell. You get that annoying divide by zero if it's a zero value. Basically, if error, cell divided by cell, comma, empty quotation marks. All right, then time. You want to get rid of the value of nothing for the time, for example, there. All right, very simple. Box like that. If cell minus cell equals zero, empty quotation marks. Value error. Someone takes an integer, multiplies it times a string. If error, cell times cell, whatever you want to put in those quotation marks. All right, then removing zeros. All right, 3 minus 3 equals 0. You don't want the zeros being there. If cell minus cell equals 0, empty quotation marks. Hope that helps. Ralph signing off once again. Catch you all in a bit. Bye.